Listen and read.
What is special about St. Martin's Island?
It's an island in the Bay of Bengal, and it's the only coral island in Bangladesh. You can see coral in different shapes and colors, and the water in the Bay of Bengal is very clean and blue.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
Yes, it is. You can also see the turtles on that island. The turtles make their nests on the beach, and then they lay their eggs in them. You can see many fishes too.
Whoa, really? Can I go sailing?
Well, you can take a day cruise. You can go on wooden boats or sea truck. The cruises are exciting and safe. They are a great way to see the bay.
Thanks for the information, Tomal.
Drag pictures to the map that we see in St. Martin's Island. Fill in the blanks with the words from section A. Click on the gaps for answers. Answer the questions. What tourist places does Tomal tell Andy about? What is the name of the island Tomal tells Andy about? Where is the island? What can you see on this island? How can you go on the water in the Bay of Bengal? Pair work. Act the dialogue from Activity A. Look at the words. Match the words with their meanings.